There it is.
Go, boys.
Oh, oh shit.
So I wouldn't leave her, dude.
Go, go, go. Drag it in, stand up, stand up. There's 3 of them up here.
Yep.
There's at least 5 up here, 5. CJ, check your left. Hey, a couple guys, get up on the hill. Keep pushing left.
Push up and hold them back.
Coming up, coming up. 2 more on the back. You got at least 6 up here now.
One stop.
Yeah, you got 2 more up here. Hey, call for a medic. Get him to tie a knot. Get him to put a knot in your rope. Say medic. I think we're good up the right here still. Okay, last one I saw was to the right of the ref over here, that green grass. But I think the sandbags already pushed him off.
I'm gonna hook him.
Alright, go. Check it, check it.
You got a red flag?
Got a red flag. Hey! I need a flag carrier! Flag carrier!
Holy crap. Hey, hey, hey!
Get the flag, right here, right here. Where you going?
Alright. Where do I get this to?
Wherever the bucket was placed. Who had the bucket?
Who had the bucket?
Coming up on the right, Josh. Get away, get away, get away. Josh, rotten stump on the right. Loading. Got 2 on the right, Josh. The rotten stump on the right. Hey, somebody hit the rotten stump.
Hey, you got a medic, man. Just got shot by friendly. Let's him in the building! Let's him in the building! Get some boys up, we got a flag, but we gotta get it out of here.
End of the building's clear. End of the building's clear.
Rick, we got people on the back of this building to my left.
Close left.
Close left.
The brown building?
The one tarp.
Yeah, the big brown tarp. Yeah, they're tucked in pretty good.
Yeah, there's 2 on the back.
Probably I'm gonna go quick for you, Bill. We were talking before. Yeah. I think there's one in the wood next to the
Josh, your 12 is clear.
At least got one. Up there, I thought shooting the ball. Oh, fuck, I'm shooting some kind of animal shit. No, that's
Okay, let's clear the bank.
Howdy.
Back CJ up.
Rick, there's a bunch in the wood building. I killed 2. There's still a couple up on the back.
Yeah, there's 2 on the back. I see 1 in the front right corner.
Where we going?
Search the city for the rest of the red flags. Clear the city of the flags. Hey, Josh. Hey, there's a stick moving right here halfway up the hill. Danger close. Danger close. They're climbing the hill. They're climbing this hill. See the stick moving? See the stick moving? They're climbing that hill. Okay, let's clear this hill. Come on. Hey, 2 in the building, front right corner. Hey, there's 1 on the hill here. Hey! Front right corner of the building. There's 1 on the hill right here. R12.
Straight down.
Hey, you hit? Whoa! Back left, 11 o'clock.
Oh my God, they shot the children. Fuck that is that. Oh, the humanity. You're playing. Oh, yeah.
Hey, on the left, 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Still 2 in the building. 2 in the building, 2 in the building. Two in the building still. Medic him up, medic. Hey, look for reds. Anybody down? Who's hit? Hey, red.
Alright, you're good. I didn't know you were yellow.
Where's your rope? Where's your rope? Right, you're back up. Get him in.
One time.
Kyle, where's your rope?
You got medic back.
Kyle, where's your rope?
Wrong team, but I didn't feel that one.
Yeah.
No, he's our team, but he medic somebody that was on the other team.
Oh my God.
And it took the whole flank out.
Oh, that's tight, dude.
Oh, I need one.
Get him up, get him up.
Everybody up.
3 in the building still, 3 in the building. Oh, hit! Medic!
They're hitting me, shooting down.
Building times 4. Building times 4.
You're up, bro.
I'm dragging you back, ready?
I have a rope, I forgot.
Alright, you're back in. Building's hot, like 6. Hey, medic them in, get them up.
They're across the grid.
Yeah. Hey, do we have all the flags out of the city? Check the city one more time. Hey, I'm gonna drag you back, you ready?
Yeah, I moved that thing over here because it's still way too lopsided.
Hey, medic him up. Hey. Everything's friendly. Medic him up. Are you yellow? Yeah, I'm yellow. Oh, then shoot me. Hit. 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 Yeah, who the heck? Check the bands, guys. Medic. Here. I think we got him. Where's here? Check the bands before you medic somebody. Carol, you good? Flanking hard to right, Carol. You good, Carol? Where are they, Carol? Call them out. I don't know what that guy walking's doing. I know.
I can't get me like hitting foliage.
Carol, we got a red squad flanking right. Hey, we forgot our bucket. Where'd you put the flags?
All the flags are sitting.
All right, we got a guy going for the bucket. We're gonna have to get all those flags in the bucket when the bucket comes back. The gray, here, look around your back. See the gray shirt, gray sweatshirt walking?
Yes.
He's getting the bucket, so watch for him to come back.
Across the way.
So, lobbing him in from the building. We're lobbing him in from the left building. Spread them out, boys. Hey, girls.
Rick,
Yeah.
see that blue flag? They're underneath it.
All right. How many?
It looks like 2.
Okay, 2 on the creek underneath the blue flag. Dennis, our bucket's on the field.
The bucket is in play.
Find the flags, put them in a bucket.
No problem.
I'm gonna go do this.
And give me a count. There should be 6.
We have 4 so far.
4?
Oh, we have a bonus point.
There should be 2 more reds over here then at the garden.
We gotta get down there.
Yeah, I think we should dump over here and push up. We'll hit these guys first.
Yep.
And then we'll keep pushing forward. We got a friendly here at our 3 o'clock. Don't shoot him. Hit! Good shot! There you go, good job. Matic. Matic. My last one. There's guys with hands up, so some of them are dead. So I don't know how we're gonna pick and choose.
Yeah, I know, it's tough.
That guy's dead, that guy's dead. There's 4 down. Alright, let's keep pushing. They see me.
Yeah. It looked like a funky flyer on that one.
Yeah. Hey, right here. 1 o'clock. Medic him in if you can.
I got some fucking things.
Hey, on the far side of the creek, 230. Far side of the creek, 230. Two down. Hey, somebody come over here with me. We're gonna hit this creek. Hey, we're gonna hit this creek. I think there's 2 or 3 in the creek, and there's gonna be 1 or 2 high 1 o'clock.
Okay.
I killed the 2 high at 2 o'clock, so don't hit them.
Okay.
Basically right here, see one moving? Here he comes. Fuck, they got the one. They got the one. You ready to move into the creek?
Yeah.
Okay.
Behind you.
You ready? We're gonna have to do this hard.
You going all the way across?
I'm going right here to look down the creek.
One guy.
Two down at the stump. 2 down at the root ball.
Behind, he's moving right. Far behind those guys you just shot.
Got 1 right here, 1 o'clock. That guy's cheating. Hey, that's a red flag, grab it. That's a red flag. Red team copies. We're going to take possession right now.
Rick, I'm going to move up to them 2 trees in front of you.
Okay, go. You still got 1 at your 1 o'clock. Hey, 1 o'clock. 2 trees to the right of the stump. Hit that guy. Can you see him?
No,
1 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Look a little bit to your left.
So what's that guy?
See the big tree? See the barrel sticking out the side?
Yeah.
And then there's 2 more at the stump, a little bit more to the left.
Oh, yeah, I see.
You got him pinned?
Yeah, I don't know if I hit it yet. I hit a couple of twigs on there. The one looks like it's connected.
One down at the stump, one down at the stump.
Sorry, you got someone behind you!
I got the right of the tree. Hey, you guys all dead?
What?
We're losing our right flank.
Technically, yeah, you're not 100% or not.
I gotta take that guy.
They're supposed to be.
This guy's picking at me. He's gonna get me one of these times. Oh boy. Oh boy.
So I get that dead rag out a little more so people are surrender that.
I don't know if that root ball's up or down. Got the root ball. Still one more at your one. Come to me, come to me. Hurry up, come to me. Hey.
I'll be there in about a minute.
Hurry up. We got one right here. Keep him pinned. I gotta medic this guy. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, 1 o'clock behind the big tree with the moss at the bottom. See him?
Yeah, he just peeked.
Yeah, we gotta shoot him.
There.
Okay, there's 2 on the root ball. They're medicing right now. There's gonna be 2 up in a second. 2 on the root ball.
Another 2 over the top.
This fucking guy.
I know, dude.
Alright, I'm dead man walking.
Got the root ball again. One's bailing. Got 2 root balls down. One more, 1 o'clock. I'm moving. Oh boy. There's a full auto right here. Second root ball. Second root ball.
Moving up on the hill right to the right.
There's people down over there, too.
Hey, medic him. Get him up.
I'll come to you in a minute.
They're pushing up on the root ball.
Okay.
I got one to the right, I think. Man walking!
Hurry up, we gotta do something, guys.
Oh, don't worry, you keep aiming, I'll get to you. I'll go to the close. There we go.
Coming in.
Up by the root ball again. The one to the left there. Small.
Yeah, I still have fuel, I got. Still dead. Still dead. Still dead. Still dead.
Hey, can you get medic? Hey, can you medic Dennis? Crawl up to Dennis.
I gotta go back.
Ah, fuck.
Keep the cover fire.
Yeah,
Got one moving up.
watch your right, watch your right. That's a good shot. That was my last one, dude. Good hit! Hey, you're on your own. Try to hold this, okay?